Hopper Stopper started in 1990. It was started by Peter Koning, who still owns the business to this day. It was started because Hoppers Crossing didn't have a specific brake specialist. Peter came from an engineering background, noticed the deficiency, started a shop. From that then became Peter is pretty big in the hot rod circles, so it wasn't long before hot rods and custom cars and stuff started turning up through friends of friends and that sort of thing, which then became bigger brake kits and that sort of stuff. And then with the advent of VT Commodore and the Australian company PBR designing a twin piston caliper with a top hat style rotor that slid on and off a hub, that then became a modular design that could be adapted to many other applications basically. So we can do anything from early 32 Fords to right up to late model dual cab utes.